Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the slick slang term swag. It's all about radiating confident style, effortless coolness, or magnetic charisma, often tied to fashion or attitude, though it can also mean free promotional goodies. It's about strutting your stuff with flair. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. His new sneakers and jacket combo? Total swag. He's got that stylish vibe. She performed with so much swag on stage. Her confidence was electric. They gave out swag bags at the event. Free goodies for everyone. The slang term swag has colorful roots, evolving over centuries. Originally a 14th century term for a bulging bag, it morphed in the 1800s to describe stolen goods or loot in criminal slang. By the 2000s, hip-hop culture redefined swag as a shorthand for swagger, capturing bold style and charisma, popularized by artists like Jay-Z and through phrases like swag on. The term also gained a secondary meaning in the 2010s for free promotional items, like branded merch at events, thanks to marketing trends. Today, it's a versatile word for coolness or freebies. Use swag to hype up someone's stylish look, confident attitude, or to describe free promotional items, especially in casual pop culture-driven chats about fashion, music, or events. This term carries a bold, playful tone and is perfect for informal conversations where you want to celebrate flair or mention cool, free stuff. Avoid it in formal settings, as it's distinctly casual and youth-oriented. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.